Did you know that by reducing your end-to-end transformation costs by a mere 1% could double or triple your net profit? Every year, millions of tons of waste are unnecessarily created across the manufacturing spectrum. Paper or computer spreadsheet recording means that companies don't have the option to control their downtime, product quality, or production issues in real time. Instant visibility of all that data, however, could provide valuable opportunities to make cost-effective improvements and reduce waste in real time. We help factories eliminate risk, reduce wastage, and improve efficiency by turning data into actionable information. All Harford's information is measured, analysed and displayed in real time through easily understood screens available from the shop floor to the top floor, enabling instant rectification of problems or improvement actions to sustain and improve performance. This instant visibility puts your team firmly in control and leaves them in no doubt as to the most effective actions to take and when to take them. Even incremental performance improvements can amount to a very significant improvement to your bottom line. We provide accurate real-time reporting. Your team can view the key metrics as action prompts to reduce wastage and drive optimized efficiency improvements. Within the same system, you can reduce risks, eliminate product recalls, human errors, and unnecessary wastage at every opportunity. We help factories to eliminate risk, reduce wastage, and improve efficiency. Harford's in-depth granular drill-down tools provide all the help you need to find and fix the root cause of problems. What makes Harford different? The Harford system is built to scale across your entire factory, from goods in to dispatch, and thereby minimise risks, reduce wastage, and improve production effectiveness. Harford has been helping food and beverage, FMCG, cosmetics and healthcare manufacturers, and expanding since 1976, with over 45 years' experience in developing unique and integrated MIS and MES systems. We are proud that our clients often tell us that the Harford system has become their gold standard, through which they achieve far more than they could do alone. Take back control and improve your manufacturing performance. Call Harford today.